Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet A to Z and color name. Dark green color, pink color, peach pink color, sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, black color, sea green color, light green color, purple color, red color, gray color, brown color, blue color, orange color. A for apple. Yellow color. B for baby. Sky blue color. C for cat. Red color. D for doll. Blue color. E for egg. Light green color. F for fish. Pink color. G for goat. Orange color. H for hen. Yellow color. I for island. Sky blue color. J for joker. Red color. K for kangaroo. Blue color. L for lion. Light green color. M for mango. Pink color. N for nest. Orange color. O for orange. Yellow color. P for penguin. Sky blue color. Q for queen. Red color. R for rose. Blue color. S for sun. Light green color. T for tiger. Pink color. U for unicorn. Orange color. V for volcano. Yellow color. W for wheel. Sky blue color. X for Xmas tree. Red color. Y for yo-yo, blue color. Z, Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello kids, today we will learn color name and number name. Orange color, dark green color, black color, brown color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, sea green color, pink color, light green color, peach pink color, purple color, gray color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yellow color 1, red color 2, peach pink color 3, purple color 4, sea green color 5, yellow color 6, red color 7, peach pink color 8, purple color 9, sea green color 10, yellow color 11, red color 12, peach pink color 13, purple color 14, sea green color 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.